Today we're making creamy meatballs with spaghetti. This recipe is rich, comforting, and very easy to make at home. Let's start with the meatballs. For the meat, you can use a mix of beef and chicken, or only beef, or only chicken. All options work great. I am using a mix of ground beef and ground chicken. Add the ground meat to a bowl. Season it with salt and black pepper. Add minced garlic and dried oregano. Crack in 1 egg. This helps keep the meatballs firm while cooking. Mix everything well until fully combined, but don't overmix. Form small, even meatballs and set them aside. Put flour into a wide bowl. Add the meatballs and gently roll them until they're coated on all sides. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the meatballs and fry them until golden brown on all sides. Once browned, remove the meatballs from the pan and set them aside. In the same pan, add chopped onion. Cook the onion until it becomes soft and golden brown. Add minced garlic and fry for a couple of minutes, just until fragrant. Lower the heat. Add 4 tablespoons of cream cheese and 4 tablespoons of mascarpone to the pan. Pour in 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of oregano, salt, black pepper optional, and stir until the sauce becomes smooth and creamy. The sauce should be rich, creamy, and well combined. Return the meatballs back into the pan. Cover and let the meatballs steam in the sauce for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, add grated Parmesan cheese. Cover again and let everything cook for another 2 minutes. In a large pot, bring water to a boil. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add spaghetti to the boiling water without breaking it. Cook the spaghetti for 8 minutes to al dente. To cook spaghetti al dente, count 8 minutes from the first bubbles, then turn off the heat and drain the pasta. This gives you perfectly cooked al dente spaghetti. Serve the spaghetti with the creamy meatballs and sauce. Simple, rich, and incredibly comforting. Dinner is ready.